Hello, my lovely kiddos. How are you all? Auntie is back again with one new moral English story. This story is again from the children publication, and the name of the series is The Little Muslim Princess. Within this series, there are so many books like Princess Adila, Princess Asifa, Princess Akila, Princess Birha, Princess Raif, Princess Rahima, Princess Nabiha, and Princess Shafeeqa. And our today's story name is Princess Shafeeqa and the Grumpy Spider. Now, have you seen a big grumpy spider on the cover page along with the beautiful Princess Shafeeqa? Now, let's move ahead to page number 1. When the weather was turning from the pleasant spring to hot summer, a beautiful and full of shining stars-eyed baby girl was born at the royal palace. The baby was named Shafeeqa, which means compassionate and a kind-hearted lady. Princess Shafeeqa grew up to be a graceful girl with refined manners and a kind heart. She never used bad words and always respected everyone. Now, by looking onto the cover page, do you know, students, that where the Princess Shafeeqa is? Yes, she might be in the park, might be in the garden, might be in the zoo. Now let's move to page number 3. Once the princess asked her maids to go and play in the woods. She said,
I want to play in the woods, as I want to see that what kind of difference and rare plant grow there.
Unfortunately, one of the maids who was walking carelessly slipped over a spider's web and broken it while tumbling down the path. The spider got really angry and bit the young lady's wrist badly. Its dangerous poison worked and the maid's skin started turning bluish purple in color. All the other maids were scared to watch that. They were standing still and didn't know what to do.
Spider, why did you hurt my friend?
Asked the princess softly.
She tore my web, that's why. I had put a lot of hard work in making this web.
Spider replied angrily.
If that is the matter, can you forgive her, as I think she has not done it intentionally, and kindly heal her?
The princess gently requested the spider.
I will not do that unless someone rebuilds my web.
Replied the spider firmly.
If that is the condition, then I will rebuild your web.
The princess offered. Luckily, she found some golden silk thread with one of the maids. The thread was extremely thin and delicate, and it needed to be handled very carefully to save it from breaking. Handling it cautiously, Princess Shafeeqa spun a new web for the spider. The enraged spider started to calm down when she saw the kind act of the princess.
Alhamdulillah, it's done.
Princess exclaimed joyfully. All other present there also happily shouted, including the spider, as her new web was even more beautiful than the previous one. Afterwards, the spider also fulfilled her promise and sucked out the poison from the maid's body. Since then, Spider learned to hold back its anger. The maids of honor also learned a valuable lesson of being gentle to all living creatures and not to be cruel and careless. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Now let's move ahead to the moral of the story. And the moral of the story says that polite words can unlock an iron door. It means that everybody would be happy with you always if you are kind and if you are speak gently with everyone. So try to speak softly with everyone everywhere, no matter you know the person or not. So now it's a question answer time. Auntie is asking you the question right now, but you give the answer in the comment box and I'll wait for your answers. And I would like to appreciate all those parents who are rigorously writing the answers of the questions to me on my each story. Thank you so much to all of them. My question number 1 is, why did the princess want to go to woods for playing? Next question number 2 is, who tore the spider web? Question number 3 is, why was the spider so angry? Question number 4 is, what did princess do for the spider? And my last and question number 5 is, what lesson did the spider learn from the princess? Now the story comes to an end along with the moral and the question answers. So it's a goodbye time. Stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy your holidays, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, press the bell icon, and write your answers in the comment section. Bye bye, kiddos. We'll miss you. We'll catch you guys soon in my upcoming story. And those who are watching to the story first time, they can go to my channel and they can see a lot many stories already there. So go ahead for those stories also and write me the answers in the comment section. We'll wait for your answers desperately. Bye bye. We'll respond to you back too. Bye.